Good evening. Thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, your source for winter weather. This is the evening video forecast discussion for Monday, the 9th of December 2013. As we go into Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening, it's going to be a sloppy, snowy mess here in the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metro area. Yes, folks, this is what you're going to be looking at during tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, and tomorrow evening. Watches, warnings, and advisories have been expanded throughout the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metropolitan area. All these in the colors of purple here, these are winter weather advisories, and these are in effect from 6 a.m. tomorrow morning on Tuesday right through 5 p.m. tomorrow evening for snow overspreading the route with a little bit of ice, and the total snowfall anywhere from between 2 to 4 inches. We have small craft advisories up along the coast until Wednesday morning, and they have been extended to that time, and they cover the coastal waters to Long Island, South Shore and east ends of Long Island until Tuesday morning. Those will be expanded too. The ones along the New Jersey coast are in effect all the way down through the Delmarva until 6 a.m. on Wednesday morning. Now, in the lighter colors of purple, in pink rather here, these are winter storm warnings, and these are in effect for Wilmington, Elkton, Trenton, Pennsville, Glassboro, Camden, Cherry Hill, Morristown, Mount Holly, Philadelphia, Westchester, Media, Norristown, Lansdale, Morrisville, and Doylestown. These are for Philadelphia, Eastern Chester, Eastern Montgomery, Lower Bucks, Burlington, Delaware, and northwestern Burlington counties in New Jersey. These are all for snow beginning tomorrow morning from 6 a.m. through 5 p.m. tomorrow evening, 3 to 6 inches of snowfall. Latest water vapor imagery overlaid with the 500 millibar analysis absolute vorticity. We have a southwesterly flow in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. Here's our next disturbance getting across and organized over the Four Corners region here. This will be scooting up along an Arctic front that will be passing through the forecast region overnight tonight, and the snow will begin to break out from southwest to northeast tomorrow morning and continue through tomorrow afternoon, ending from southwest to northeast towards dusk. The important things to note here is that we have winter weather advisories in effect for most of the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area. Those may be expanded a little bit further north and east as well. And we have a small discrete area just mentioned a few minutes ago where we have winter storm warnings. Again, this is where we think the highest snow ratios and the concentration of the heaviest burst of snow will be during tomorrow afternoon. NamWRF composite reflectivity forecast from Penn State's eWall site shows that the leftover debris from the previous system is now moving off the shoreline. There were some breaks of clearing, it's evident, but those will be filling in again during the overnight hours and rapidly. We have upper level winds out of the southwest at better than 50 to 60 knots. Precipitation in the form of snow along a cold frontal boundary will be reintroduced to the area tomorrow morning, and this will start before dawn. Could even start in northwestern New Jersey and reach the ground in central and southeastern Pennsylvania across the Delmarva region, the same areas that received that burst of heavy to moderate snow during Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening, and that looks like it's going to happen similar to that again early tomorrow morning. Now, this is a fast-moving disturbance, and most of the precipitation will be exiting from southwest to northeast by the mid to the late part of the afternoon. In fact, most of it should be completely out of here as we end the evening rush. One thing to note is that the areas that are likely to receive the heaviest snow again is concentrated in the Philadelphia to Burlington County, New Jersey area. This metroplex here along the turnpike, the I-95 corridor, that's where the heaviest snow is. That's where the winter storm warnings are in effect for from tomorrow morning through tomorrow afternoon. Evening actually until 5 p.m. for a total of 3 to 6 inches. Anywhere outside of that region could receive anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of snow. NamWRF 12-kilometer product from Penn State's eWall site shows that as tomorrow morning comes along just before dawn and into the early afternoon hours, this is where we find the burst of snow through southeastern Pennsylvania into coastal southeastern New Jersey and the Delmarva region, and it quickly gets out of here. Notice these 850 millibar temperatures, again, -4 to -6, -7, and -8. Temperatures tomorrow will remain in the 20s over interior sections, probably near or just above freezing right outside of the city south of Long Island and right along the immediate coast of New Jersey. Everywhere else, we're expecting temperatures to remain in the 20s as the snow is ongoing and evaporational cooling begins to settle in. Once the snow gets out of here, we really have some very chilly air, a snowpack, and lighter winds to deal with. We could be dealing with single digits and even some, well, some teens definitely, and some single digits not out of the question for Wednesday morning as that departs, with leftover clouds and partly cloudy skies moving into the region. And temperatures with the fresh snowpack and light westerly winds are going to be bone-chilling cold as we approach Thursday. Wednesday night and Thursday, we're looking for some single digits and also some teens across the region. Temperatures really don't recuperate that much either as we get into Thursday morning just before dawn, and even Thursday afternoon. Temperatures will begin to reflect themselves, still holding basically in the 20s to around 30 degrees with the fresh snowpack across the region, and the upper level winds also coming in from off the west. So we could see a few spokes of vorticity, even a few flakes of snow here downwinds of Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. Most of that should stay away from the area. It might provide a variable cloud cover or scattered cloud cover throughout the afternoon, but nothing but very, very cold air and generally fair weather throughout the period. This video forecast discussion is for Tuesday, Tuesday night, and Wednesday. Obviously into Thursday, we have a special video forecast discussion coming up to discuss the weekend event. So if you are planning on traveling at any point during tomorrow, especially early tomorrow morning through tomorrow afternoon, please be advised that there is going to be snow falling. Some of the snow could be coming down moderate to heavy at times, especially in the late morning to the early afternoon hours across the aforementioned areas. This is going to lead to traffic delays. It's going to lead to airport delays as well, where we've seen thousands of airport delays already this week nationally as a result of the weather, and more delays are likely again. So do allow yourself extra travel time. Be very careful on the roadways, and we'll, of course, be updating this video forecast discussion in its normal time tomorrow morning, bright and early at 6 a.m. We have another video forecast discussion coming up in a little while this evening dealing with the weekend event as well. For GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You be safe out there, and we'll see you bright and early again tomorrow morning.